Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Can I come in? Nice. Blow through too. Looks really good. Yeah. So are you amp wired down? Or is it 1 ohm or is it just?
I'm wired to half ohm right now.
Okay, so you're probably at a certain frequency it wouldn't protect because it was under that ohm load time.
Well, anything above 30 it'll
Really? Man. Awesome. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Logan Pinson. It's a 4th order blow through with 2 ZB5s. They're D2 subs, 64 amps lithium and then 80 amps lithium.
Okay.
That tram's MDAK tuned to 55 hertz.
Nice. 55 hertz?
Yeah.
So the front end's 55?
Yeah.
Okay. Who built it?
Foster Hilton out of Savannah.
Okay, yep.
But I have Drew Jones designing me a 6 order for it.
Very nice. Alternator did you have?
64 amps of that one and then 80 amps of the next.
Okay.
And then I got a 270 amp alternator.
Mm-hmm.
Brand X with a big 3 up there.
Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Logan's system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Pretty impressed to see this dual subwoofer system blow through. If you're enjoying the video, hit the thumbs up, give him a like, as well as comment what you like about his system. Definitely pretty impressed to see how loud it got for 2 subs. I know he was having some electrical issues with the amplifier protecting, but he's got a lot of lithium battery bank and the output alternator. So I think it was just clipping, pretty much turning it up all the way during the demo. So you can see actually there's a red light, the amp protected, but he did give me a 2-song demo. So he pretty much played it full tilt until it protected into the amplifier and then played again for the 2nd song. So if you notice the way that actual blow through sealing it is, kind of have a question for everybody that has this kind of system. How do you seal this off? Comment suggestions. I really don't know, and I would love to see what y'all's ideas are on that. I see foam all the time, and then I also saw people use boots. During the demo, you're going to see actually the back panel of the glass was probably flexing apart, so it isn't fully sealed off anymore. So we're getting to the demo now. It's a 2-song demo from him. He did a really good job, so shout out to you, man. You did a great job, Logan. I know you weren't expecting to get a demo on YouTube, but we're here now. So this is an 8,000 watt truck subwoofer system blow through on, I'm pretty sure these are 2 12-inch subwoofers. Hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. You have a good day. Thanks for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.